So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to redeem a swag code for Swagbucks here on the Swagbucks application. So once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and press on more or the three dots. Once you're here, where it says more ways to earn, so if you were to scroll down here, it actually says redeem swag code right here. Go ahead and press on that. Now, what's a swag code? So it says here swag codes are our fun reward phrases that pay often. Find them on our site, Facebook, Twitter, or Swagbucks blog, and through notifications on your phone. Cash in the codes here for SB. So, for example, if you found a code and you wanted to go ahead and type it in, I'll just say code right there. You can go ahead and submit that, and what you guys can do here is get Swagbucks as a reward for typing in the code. So it's kind of a fun way for them to reward you for, I guess, following them on Twitter, Facebook, social media, etc. And yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to redeem a swag code for Swagbucks here on the application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.